our question from Lily, who was kind enough to send in her email question this week. Her question, my daughter was in a wreck while she was texting. Can my insurance refuse to pay our claim because of that?
You know, under normal circumstances, I would say no. Lily sounds like she might have been negligent and might have caused or contributed to the wreck. That's okay. People make mistakes every day. Let me tell you what your insurance policy really does. It does two things. It covers, it pays for a lawyer if you have a claim or get sued, and it pays the amounts that you're legally obligated to pay. That's really, despite all that technical or legal language, that's really what an insurance policy does. And so unless there's some sort of intentional act, exclusion, and normally this would not rise to that level, then yes, I think they owe you a duty to cover the damages. Now, Lorelei, if they wrongfully deny coverage and say Lily's daughter gets sued and gets a personal judgment against her and heaven forbid has to file bankruptcy, it might open that insurance company up into a situation where you could go after them for a bad faith denial of coverage and punitive damages. You want to talk about that? That's pretty important.
Yeah, I think we've mentioned bad faith claims here a couple of times recently, and a little bit different. But again, you pay your premium, you pay your insurance company regularly, and you expect them to do the job. You expect them to hold up their end of the bargain. And so when the time comes and you need their services, they have a duty to do what's right. And so if they delay paying a valid claim, then that's a total different tort. And I believe it may be a contract-based claim, but yeah, you can then turn around and sue your insurance company for not holding up their bargain that you paid them for.
They sure didn't have any problem taking those premiums from you every month.
That's right.
So they should pay the claim. Right. If you make a mistake and you hit somebody, they should take care of that too. That's the way I feel about it.